guys! Ngayon nga po, samahan niyo po kami mag-color ni Mami ng aming hair using this Lisay hair color.
Guys, alam niyo po ba na this is the #1 hair fashion color in Japan?
I will be using this mocha brown and kay Mami naman ay...
Ang akin naman po ay mint ash.
So guys, yung nasa loob, kompleto na siya, be. May gloves na din. You can color your hair, guys, using Lisay in just 3 easy steps. So you will just pour this into here. Ilalagay natin. And, ang nasa instructions po here, you will not shake. Guys, ganito lang siya. 5 times. 1.
Guys, you need 2 boxes for long and thick hair. But since I have thin hair strands, I was able to use only 1.
Charan! Lalagay na natin ito. And ang sunod nyo gagawin ay ganito lang. Yeah! Put it in your hands. Saka nyo ilalagay sa inyong hair. Ito guys ay may advanced bubble technology. Hindi guys, ito tulad ng mga typical hair color na kailangan nyo pang i-section yung hair nyo. Massage lang.
Para lang po nagsishampoo. Excited na po kami sa result later.
Blonde is made to cover gray hair. Pero, personal choice po yung i-apply namin sa hair namin. Since I want a darker shade and mom wants a lighter shade.
Daming bubbles. Ito nga palang Lisay Creamy Bubble is 100% DIY hair color. Yun nga guys, we will be leaving this for 30 minutes. And guys, in washing our hair, any shampoo will do. Pero, I recommend na need nyo pong gamitin tong conditioner na included na sa box kasi it has moisturizing ingredients para sa hair nyo. This is the final result, guys. Super ganda. Akin po ay mocha brown.
And mine is mint ash.
Ang ganda, guys. Very soft and smooth ng hair namin.
Mas naging healthier po yung hair namin.
Alam nyo ba, the Lisay Blonde Natural Matte Ash and the Lisay Blonde Mocha Brown is available at Watson's. Ganda, ma'am.
Super worth it. Mga anak, mga moms, ang ganda sa hair. Promise.
Try nyo na rin.